million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some synthetic drip, and it's not on y'all. This is bomb.com wig that's on my head. This review has already gone up, but it is from the same company, and as Wigtypes, y'all know I 1000% love Wigtypes. As we have been doing this red and blonde series, you know, I purchased like 40 wigs. A lot of them did come from Wigtypes, so if you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to the wig I'm about to review. So like I said, we're in this red and blonde series, and we found some hitters in this series, and boom, I'm thinking that this one will be too. So this wig is by Laude, L-A-U-D-E and Company, which, y'all, I'm pretty sure that's Bobby Boss, or this gotta be, they gotta be kidding Bobby Boss some type of way, because the colors are just about alike. I hope I'm not making that up. This one is in the style UGBL001 VALE, V-A-L-E, and I got VALE in TT1B/red. VALE comes with an HD 4-inch deep part. So with this company, Laude, this is our first time working with them. One of my most favorite colors is like that oil slick peacock color. Laude released that wig, was it Elizabeth? I absolutely loved it. They released another one that I picked up from Wigtypes called Becky, that's in that peacock color. And after this red and blonde series is over, that's the first one I'm reaching for. Okay, so this is a straight up red. This that's on my head is Outrage's Red Velvet, just if you want a comparison. Very cute. Cap construction, you get a comb in the back, adjustable straps. You get that, I sprayed this, and this is the best tint spray. I got this from Wigtypes, Tintation. I got it in the color dark brown. I love it so much better because it dries so fast. You get that ear to ear lace, comb to the right, comb to the left, boom, 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 right? And she comes with them Susie Q baby hairs. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Valora off my head ever so gently. And I'm gonna put VALE on, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Shoot. Y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and for the price point, because it's really affordable, I put the price there. I don't want to just misquote, but I know it's in the 20s. For the price point, y'all, this is a bomb wig. If I'm being honest, I am going to go pick this wig up in a 1B, because this is gonna be like a throw and go for me. So it does come with those baby hairs, but I didn't utilize them, and it would probably make the wig look a lot better if, you know, I did. But this gonna be a throw on and go unit for me. I can get my fingers straight through this with no issues. Do I think this wig is worth it? Yes. Now the model on the stock card is wearing her in a 613. It's not rooted, but it comes in THB 1B30, TBH 427, TBH 1B613, so you can get it dark rooted. It has a gray silver, this red, and a 2730 as well. So this wig, because of its price point, and just the everydayness of it, I 1000% recommend it. As a matter of fact, you probably, when I do my next clothing haul or two, you'll see this wig in a 1B because it is bomb.com. I really like it. I know I showed you footage of how long this unit is. I'm 5'5", here's my belly button, and that's where she falls. So she's a pretty long unit. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I do recommend her. You are gonna need to put some dry shampoo on this bad boy though. It's not just my ring light that's making it look shiny. It is a little bit shiny. But I recommend, she cute. Like I always say, maybe you ain't into wigs. Maybe it's your auntie Vale. Maybe it's your Uncle Victor, whichever one. Send them my way, and me and Wigtypes gonna get them right. Y'all, this is actually a really bomb unit. Until next time, which will be very soon.